In this channel, we discuss ways to make money on the internet, and trust me, you're going to love this channel. And please, today we are going to talk about something called transcription. What is transcription? Transcription is a form where you go and translate someone's audio into text. So they present you with an audio file, and you're able to listen to it carefully with headsets such as these ones. Let's say this, if you have this kind of headsets, or even smaller headsets that are really clear for you, doesn't matter. But our main factor here is to look at it online, and there are so many companies that offer transcriptions online, and today we are going to look at one of them. This is a faster way. This is a way someone who likes dealing with punctuation, with the English. You must know English for you to work with this, but this is real. This is working for people, especially if you're passionate about what you want to do. And let's try to just take an overview of what you need for this. So number one, you need a computer, and it really doesn't need to be a very good computer. Doesn't have to be yours. You can just borrow a friend. You can borrow someone, and then also you need, let's say, you need something that is like this. Let me just say like this, so that you can just put it directly to your ears, so you can hear exactly what someone is talking. And then also, the first thing is you need internet connection, so that you'll be able to download files. You'll be able to connect to your account that they are going to present to you. With all that outside there, so I guess let's take an example of a website that you can use for you to transcribe, for you to get a job for transcription. So let me take you right to it, and that is going to be a website called Scribe Me, and this is a very good website, and I can assure you, you're going to love it. You're going to love everything about this website. So let me say, this is the website we are talking about, and it is simple. You see, it's called Scribe. What does this website do? People come here, people all over the world, and they present their files here, and they want someone to help them to translate it into text, from audio to text, or from video to text. So to audio, I mean. So how do you get started with this? If you look at this website, this is how you can start. For us, we don't want to upload files so that we pay money for someone to help us. No, we want something different. And if you go down, let's say at the bottom of this website, this is how you can become a transcriber. Go here where they are saying transcribers. Click on that, and it's going to take you to something very interesting. And this is what we want. Transcribe. Scribe is something that is interesting, something that is a miracle for people. So they say sign up as a transcriber, set up PayPal account, take transcription test. So these are steps that you're going to take. Only 3, and you'll be ready to go. So there are so many guidelines here, samples, terms, and questions that are asked. They are all here. The introduction overview, a home-based job, work at your convenience. This is very good. And as I told you before, this is how you're going to get money. So if you go, they say you get paid $5 to $25 per audio hour per rate. So every hour you do, you get $5 or 25. Depends on how good you are. The more you do this, the more your ratings are going to go high. So the more you get your ratings high, the more people are going to trust you, and they're going to pay you more money. That's why you see 25. So within a day, you find that you have 8 hours. Imagine you work for 8 hours. How much money could you make? You could make a lot of money. Minimum, multiply 5 times 8, and you'll get $40 per day, which is not so bad, but you can even make it more and more than that. So let's continue and say short files, 10 minutes or less. Those are how long the files are not so big, and there are so many other outlines here. There's no obligations, no monthly commitment or withdrawal limits. Monthly bonuses of $5 for every 3 hours completed. So they give bonuses here. So there's something good about this website, and that is bonuses. Requirements: good comprehensive like you understand English. Yeah, sorry for me. Ability to interpret conversations, because they are going to give you audio of a conversation of the client and maybe the customer, like, and they want you to actually transcribe that. The other one is a verified PayPal account linked to a bank account or credit card. What do they mean here? They need you to create a business account, as I said before. If you starting these things, number one, the first thing you should think about is you should have a PayPal account working and ready for your withdrawals to the bank. The other one is a laptop, desktop computer or internet connection. Headsets or headphones, latest version of Chrome, Safari, web browsers. So they are all here. So this website is good. And there is so many things again you can learn from this. Here are potential earnings. Only transcribing is 200 to 300 per month. You see, these are jobs like you can dedicate yourself to actually work this job, and you can get paid good money for this. And then the other one is transcription and reviews. If you're doing this, you can get from $300 to $500. Transcription, reviews, and proofreading. These are not professionals. When you do this thing for like months and years, they're going to approve you to be a professional, to be a proofreader for other transcriptionists, and that is going to be good for you, big money for you. And you see here, transcription is reviews, proofreading, and then QC. So you become, the more you do work with this paper, the more you're going to get paid more money, more work. So trust me, if you are interested in this, please try this out. And especially for those who have computers lying down there, have good connections of internet, and you have a lot of time to spare, I advise you to try this. And it comes along with guidelines here on what you should do, what it involves, and everything is here. Samples are here. All you have to do is dedicate yourself to read. You can actually even try this out. You see. So this is the sample of what these people do. So I'm going to pause them because of copyright issues. So this is a sample. Your work is to play this audio, write exactly what you hear from the audio. After doing that, you'll be good. Submit your test, submit your work, and you'll get paid good money for that. And we continue. Terms and conditions. We know every company needs this. You have to accept the terms and conditions of this kind of job. And then if you're that person who wants to read more about a company, about transcription, this is where you read it. What is audio transcription? How is it done? What is the payment rate? Why is the pay rate lower than the minimum wage? So these are the questions you ask yourself, and you can answer yourself by reading this. And then practice. So these are audio files I've given you to practice. So you can take your time, take a week, take a month to practice and be confident that you can do this job. Go outside there, do the job, and you'll succeed. Be hardworking, and everything will work out for you. So as I said before, this is the kind of things I'm going to be showing you, and every time we continue to support each other in everything we do. So I encourage you to continue to research on yourself. Like after even seeing this kind of videos, research more on the website, go deep into this website, read more about it, go to the QR questions, go to the terms and conditions, go read everything about this website. They have tons of information that you need, that you can't even comprehend. So I trust you're going to do it. I trust you're going to try this out. And if you like the content that I create here, please help and subscribe below, because this is going to help us continue to strive, support each other, and it's going to help me also to encourage and push more videos outside there for people to actually consume and learn more about this kind of way. There's so much going on outside there, and this method works everywhere. Africa, Europe, China, everywhere. You don't exactly need to be here in Africa or outside in America. This works everywhere. So thank you thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Sign out.